my sausage muffuletta.
Oh!
Taking the classic flavors and combining a classic New Orleans style muffuletta with a charcuterie board, all right? Starting with, this is not Italian cold cuts, this is whole rope sausage. Take a gander at that.
That's right.
We skewered it with 2 wooden skewers. We kept it in the coil. You can buy this at the butcher shop. And if you don't see it, you know they got it in coils in the back, so just ask them. And we put the skewers in there to keep it contained. We put a little olive oil in there, and watch how easy this flip is. Are you serious?
Flip it.
Look how nice and brown that is.
So we're just gonna kiss this with a little high heat, give it a nice browning, do the other side. Once that's good, we can take it out. Again, look at how easy it is to move with the skewers in there, which we will remove later when we get into that. Now we got all that rendering in the pan.
The best.
To this, we got some fennel. We're gonna add some fresh fennel. I think fennel and sausage are best friends for life, right?
For life.
So we can play on those sweet kind of licorice flavors right there and just slice it like you would an onion. And this is gonna go right into the fat of that sausage. So we got the fennel directly in there. We're gonna saute this fennel for a little bit. We can give it a little salt to help sweat it out, a little more olive oil, grapes.
Okay.
Sausage and grapes.
I can't believe it's going into a muffuletta. Sandwich king, y'all.
My heavens, right? Got some fresh thyme, a couple sprigs of that. Wow, you guys are really in a clapping mood today. Pepper! Once this softens up, we're gonna kind of caramelize all this together. Get it slow and slow. We are going to deglaze with some balsamic vinegar.
Ooh.
Do it.
We got sweet. We got the black licorice. We got the herbs in there. We got the sour. We got everything. This is gonna go in the oven. We're gonna nestle that sausage back on top.
Oh, yum.
Again, if it's this thin, it could cook through pretty quickly, so it doesn't need to go back. But if it's like thick rope Italian sausage, you wanna bring it to 160, 165, of course, while all this kind of caramelizes in the oven. Oven at 425. It's gonna go in there, again, depending on your thickness, the internal temperature, but I wanna show you what this baby looks like. Look at that, beautiful, right? So we have that sausage, we have all that beautiful, you know, cooked down grapes.
The
fennel. Let's grab that bread.
Let's do it.
I have it in the oven, just kissing it a little, about 200 heat here, just till it's nice. And you hear that? If it's a little past its prime, just throw it in the oven for a little bit, not too high. And then you got this beautiful bread. Now we can start building here. So I'm gonna take some of this out to keep the ratios pure and right. So I am gonna take this bread out. You can use that for something later. Now we can start building. Another integral ingredient in muffuletta, tapenade. This is green olive tapenade. Tons of oil, tons of flavor in there. Salt, punchy. So you can spread this. We got that tapenade on there, and again, that fennel and grape sauteed right there. Just a nice little schmear on there. Now we can put our sausage intact right on top of there. Look at that ratio, right? Crust to crust.
I was wondering about that.
And now we can take out that skewer just like that. I'm gonna actually spread a little bit of that on top.
Do it.
We're gonna get that oil. And again, right, there's a ton of oil in here. Just a little bit of feta on there, just to even it out. Now we can close that, bring it over. First, we gotta cut it, right? Because I have a whole system.
You're not
for
gonna
a
mush it
picnic
down.
packing job here for the muffuletta.
Oh, you're gonna pack it for us. Okay.
Oh, because this is gonna be hard, you know.
Yeah, it's hard. Yeah, I get it. I get it.
We put it on your finest linen.
Fancy.
Now we take 2 corners. Thanks, Martha. In the middle.
Oh,
Good job, Martha.
Jeff.
This is very Martha
Did you
Stewart.
say Martha?
You know she's watching.
It works, it's balanced, it's delicious, it's moist, and what a perfect picnic sandwich.